Hello, my name is Charles Diaz, and this is my Mini-Project-1 for CS312. The first thing I'm going to talk about is my file structure. So I have my Node JS application as basically the top of the hierarchy. Then I have this folder called public that has CSS in it, and it has all my public CSS. So it just has this box style CSS. Then I have views, which has pages and partials. Pages has this page called index.ejs, and partials has a footer, head, and header. So these footer, head, and header are in this basically can be added to any of my pages .ejs, and they just basically contain a head or a header. And I can, for right now, all I'm doing is in my header.ejs, I just have a style sheet. But you can do a lot more stuff. You could put script in here if you wanted to. But for right now, all it contains is my file sheet. So basically, I'm going to describe the index.ejs. So this index.ejs is the main page that shows up. So the first thing I have is a blog post form, which is basically how you create a blog post. It has a name, title, a comment, and a submit. So when you submit, it'll call this action blog add, and as you can see in this app.js, we'll see how we add. So when we're adding a blog post, basically all we're doing is creating an object called blog post, and we're just getting the name, the title, and the comment. Then we're creating a creation time on the server and adding an ID. This object is then added into this blog posts array right here. So that's essentially how I'm keeping track of the blog post. The next thing that I have is I print out each of the blog posts. So there's some CSS and a little bit of CSS here just to make it a little bit prettier. And then there's two buttons, a delete and a edit. The delete does a blog delete. So if we go back over here, we're doing this post, a blog delete, and basically we go through the array, look for the ID of the post we're deleting, and splice it out, and then render the page again with blog post now without the blog post we do not want. The next thing we have is this button for edit. So first you click the edit button and it'll do a show edit form. This is just a little bit of JavaScript up here just to make it so this form is hidden before you click the edit. Then after you click the edit, this form is visible, and basically once you click submit, you are able to submit new information into this form. And as you'll see, it does a blog/edit, and blog edit basically goes through our array, finds the blog post we want for the ID, and then it'll just change the title, name, and comment, then re-render the page again. So let me show you an example. So we'll do node app.js to start the server up. We're listening on port 8. We'll open it up in a browser, and here it is. So we can add a name. We'll put my name in. We'll put a title. We'll just put dogs, and I like dogs. As you can see here, a new post was added. You can edit or delete it. We'll edit real quickly. I like dogs a lot. If we save that, you see the page refreshes, and we have that. We can add more posts. So we can add another post with the name Jose. We can add the title cats, and maybe Jose likes cats. So now we have these two posts. You can delete a post, and it'll delete it from that array. So that's essentially how this simple blog posting website works. Thank you for watching.